Hello, everyone. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. I'm not going to focus so much on how to make the cap, but I'm going to focus on how to make the design. All right, but I will still show you how to make the cap. That is the body pleated turban, especially because of the beginners. So I'm going to join these two stripes to make the ball, but later I find out that the stripes were too long, so I did not use all of it. So if you are making at least just say um 70 by 70 by 5, it's okay, or 70 by 6. And then to create the turban, I will be using a square size of material, which is normally I use 28 by 28, but what I have here is 29 by 30. Is not bad. And then we are going to sew. The entire length I have here is so long, but I reduced it. So what I have for one stripe is about 90. So if you join it together, we'll be having 180, but you don't need that. 90 is okay. Okay, so I'm going to start by closing the stripe, and then I will make the body plate. I think if you watch that one, you can understand it. So right now it's time for us to fill in the stripe so that we can create the ball. And for me to do that, I started by sewing close one edge of the stripe. So you have to close that edge because it would enable you to push the fiber. The white thing you are seeing there is fiber, and in case you are wondering where to get it, you can get it from any shop where they sell furniture accessories. That is a shop where they sell things that carpenters, those persons that are making furniture, can buy their accessories from. Normally this fiber is used for throw pillow. Yeah, they use it for throw pillow, and then they use it for pillow itself, the pillow you sleep with in your bed. So you get it from any furniture shop where they sell accessories for making furniture. So it's called fiber. So I'll start to fill in the stripes with the fiber, and then I would choose the size that is convenient for me for my ball. So as I create the ball, it's just the size is determined by me, so it's not fixed, and there is no need asking me what the length is. You make your own and make your decision, yeah, of how big you want your ball to be and the distance with which you tie. All right, so this is just mine. Whatever size you take from the beginning, you have to try to maintain that size. So you have to try to maintain that size with whatever size you started with from the beginning. Okay, so we just keep tying the ball, and there's something that is very important, is the fact that you have to break the fiber, as in cut it into pieces before using it to fill the stripe. This is because it would allow you to be able to take your sizes for your ball conveniently. If you fix it in without having to break them, as in cut it into pieces, when you are taking the sizes of your ball, you will find out that inside the stripe the fibers are not separated, so it becomes difficult for you to determine what size you are taking. So make sure you break in the fiber. All right, so you can see that I am done filling my own. It is not easy, it's not as fast as you are seeing it here, so it takes time for you to fill and create the ball. All right, so the ball is ready, and I will just style the ball and I would be through with this video. So all I want to do is that I want to just create a round shape, and then also the size of how far I want it is to be determined by me, but I'm just going to create a round shape. I'll carefully use my needle and thread to tack it down so that the balls are not going to be separated. If you ask me, can I glue? Yes, you can, but for the purpose of your work being durable, I think it's better you just use the same thread, color the same shade for you to tack down the balls. And if you watch carefully, you will see how I am systematically tacking my own down. So I will like that you do the same thing as well. You have to be careful, pass your needles through that is inside, such that the thread is not going to be visible in any way. Okay, so let me just borrow time. Okay, if you are discovering Creative Hands International for the first time, you are welcome to my channel. All right, I am so glad to inform you that our auto gele training will be coming up the second week of April, and we are going to be having two different classes. We are going to have the beginners class and then the advanced class. In the beginners class, I would be teaching everything that has to do with the beginners. So everything you need to know as a beginner, ranging for how to create your base, how to what are the styles, the basic styles, because we have basic styles in gele that we make other styles through. So I'm going to be teaching the five basic styles, which is round, fan, ruffles, ace, and then web. So we are going to be focusing on the four basic styles, because it is through these basic styles that we create other styles. All right. So the training is coming up. You will be seeing the notifications shortly. It will be on the community post. So that you can get the date and also make payment, get the details of the account so that you can make your payment. All right. So thank you so much for stopping by Creative Events International today. I so much appreciate the fact that you stopped by my channel. And if today happens to be the first time you are discovering Creative Events International, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel before leaving today. And also, please do not forget to recommend this channel to other persons that you know are involved in creating head fashion, because this channel is all about head fashion. And you know, the most interesting thing is the fact that you can actually contact me and share your struggles, your problems with me, and I'll try to provide solutions where I can, and if I cannot, I'm going to give you the best advice that I can give. All right, so for me, it's going to be bye for now. You can just watch the way I'm going to do the finishing, and after that, if you have any question, leave it on the comment section. So for me, it's going to be bye. Thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye.